next new week. So our today's affirmation is I can do this.
So, as a new affirmation and a new week, like we said, even you can do this. So, as usual, please some pre-workout instructions. Okay. I hope सबने अपना pre-workout snack खा लिया. It can be a fruit or it can be a dry fruit. I hope सबने अपना पानी का bottle ready रखा है. It is again needed because when you do workouts, आपको महसूस होगा कि आप बीच में थोड़े थक जाते हो, तो you need to hydrate yourself. The workout which we are going to do is as per affirmations. So, आज का workout it will be a little on the higher end. Okay. So make sure maybe our count is more and your intensity is less. It's okay. So I think we should get started. Let's start. So we just finished with a warm up, okay, which even you have to do, which is mentioned on the bill. So the first one is squat or burpee. Okay, now we is going to show you the modified version. So hands up, bend your knees, place your arm upward and you walk out into high plank. That's the posture which you have to do. Then walk in and come up. The other one which we, instead of you walking out, you have to just jump. So we are going to start with the normal one. So 50 counts, 10 counts. Okay? Let's start with a jump. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. So we take a 10-second breather. You can just kick yourself, your legs. The next one we want to hold is a low plank hold. A low plank hold is all about holding your core on your elbows and on your toes. So let's go down. You can even do a modified version on your knees. If you are not able to hold your core on your toes, you can do the same thing on your knees. So we will hold this for 30 good counts. So let's up, start, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Let's go to chair pose. Rest. Then come. And hold. Okay. The next one is called jumping jacks. Like we say, if you're not able to jump, it's right out, right in, left out, left in, right out, right in, left out, left in. Okay? So you can go for the modified version or the normal version. So let's start with 40 more counts. Let's start. So 40, 39, 8, 30, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and whew.
In between, if you are tired, you can sip water.
Like we said, today we can do this. Okay? So the next one is called a sumo squat. You have to assume that you are a sumo, a huge one, Your legs should be wide open. Your toes should be wide open. And we are going to do 50 good sumo squats. Okay? So let's start. So let's start. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, come on, 21, 20 more, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oof. Just breathe. The next one we are going to do is 30 alternate lunges. So we start with right or left?
Right.
Okay. So backwards or front?
Back.
Okay. So now let's join your legs. Your legs should be at your waist level. Let's step back, right leg, and you lunge. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10 more, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 more, 4, come on, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect.
Pull your legs.
The next one is called a mountain climber. What is a mountain climber? It's all about going to a high and hold. You're going to hold your core on your palms and on your toes, and then you're going to use your core to drag your knees in and out. Okay? So let's start with 30 mountain climbers. Okay? Up with left leg. Start. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go to child pose. Breathe. Okay. So the next one is called a military plank. Okay. Now we are going to do the modified version. It's again from high plank to low plank to high plank. What is high plank? It's all about holding your core on your palms and on your knees. That is a modified version. What is a low plank? The same you do it on your palm, on your elbows. Okay. So let's start with 20 good counts. Okay. So let's go to high plank hold. Now Uri is going to show you the normal version. I am going to go for the modified version. So let's start with right leg, right hand. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, the next one. Let's stand up. We have just finished with almost 6 to 7 variations and we have got 3 more to go. Okay? So next one is called a butt kick. So we are going to do the modified version, okay? And I am going to do the normal version. So it's all about hands behind your butt. You are going to kick your butt. Okay? So let's start with 30 root counts. Let's start. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and
Keep walking.
And the next one, we are going to do the one which Ruby likes, is burpees. So we are going to do 15 or 10. Let's do 10. Okay. So again the same thing. You can go for modified version. It's hands up, bend your knees, place your palm on the floor, you walk out on the high plank, walk in and then up. And we are going to do the normal version. So let's start with a jump. So 15, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 more, 3, 2, 1. And the last one. That's 25 counts of glute bridge. In this, you are going to land the floor on the butt portion. Your knees are bended. You are going to rest your back on the floor. Your hands will be near your waist. Now you are going to lift your hip with the help of your heel, your hands and your neck. So we are going to lift it up, and the moment you lift it up, you are going to do pulses for 25 counts. So let's hip up, hold. Let's start with 25, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 more, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe, just rest for 10 seconds. And slowly move on the left hand side and just. So we had just finished with our day 8. Okay, that's the second week, first day, and as usual, today's affirmation was, I can do this. Okay, even you can go. Not to forget, you have to end your workout with a cool down, which is already been registered. The link is already registered on the message link. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's meet tomorrow.